So today we are in Sananco. We are going to enter. This is the hall. Here we have like a co-working area, silent one. This is the Skype room. These are the stairs to the rooms that are just like up there. Here you can have the games room. This is the laundry area, so you can just do laundry there. Now we enter the living room. Here you have two toilets. This is the main living room where all the fun happens, and the dining room with a really long table where some of us work from here. And here we have like two fridge, two places to wash the dishes. Well, three with that one. No, four. I didn't know that. Two ovens, one here and one in the other side, and 4 places to like cook your meals. There's also like a common fridge, a coffee place, and you have like a dishwasher. Another cool thing is the garden. Boy. So here you have the garden where you can see the building. And yeah, now it's a bit cold, but in summer this is going to be amazing. We have also like 2 bikes that we can share. And another cool thing is that we have a parking lot. Oy. So you can park here. And this is the rooms part. This is our room. And this is how it looks, the private one with the toilet. So these are the beds, like space for all the clothes. Here we have more places for the luggage. This is the bathroom with 2 toilets and like 1 shower, 2 places to wash your hands. And these are like the views of the room to the garden. And now I will show you the co-working. This is the co-working. It's just 5 minutes walking from the Coliving. And here is the family meeting part. We also have some tables and 2 phone booths in the corner.